Nerd Mansion. Hello, mate. I can never know. I never know what audio level I should put things at. This is probably good. I don't want to be too loud. It's deving. Game development. Dark Void, hello mate. I passed my science GED, so I have a little bit time to game dev. Science. Tell you what, mate. If I was in your position, mate, I was still going to school. One of my biggest things I've learned doing game dev is how important maths is, and physics, vector math, quaternions, rotation, physics, geometry, all of this stuff. If you have the opportunity, mate, you should go for it, because these things are fucking beyond me at the moment, and I'm struggling so much. But that's great, mate. I'm glad you're doing well. Oh, Bimlab, hello. Quaternions. I don't even know what a quaternion is, but it's important. It's important. I'm not in school. It's just a test. I have 3 more to do. I'll get my GED, which is important for jobs, so I'm doing good right now. Oh, I thought... Well, whatever. I didn't know what a GED is, to be honest. A GED. So, but no, I hope you get through it then. How you doing, Bimlab? Do you have any games for me to play? Because I'm not sure if you finished your game jam. How would I do this? Oh, it's there! Xbox controller. Download the Pizza Night XE. Follow the installer. Don't create. Wow. So you did get it to work, right? Because there was a big problem. There's a big problem with the exporting. Will you be using that engine again, or do you think you just use Game Maker next time? I skimmed your last live stream and that game looks insane. Oh, thank you. I'll be lurking. My bad. Oh no, mate. Thanks for stopping by, Dark Void. And thanks for lurking. How interesting. Did you have to like make this installer? I mean, this reminds me of like installing a game back in the day, right? When you would like get it in the disk and you would put it in the your computer and you would have to install it like this. Screw that engine. I will make updates to Pizza Night though here and there. Baz had one. He's like the only guy who knows how to use Pixel Playmaker on YouTube. It's because it has to include Microsoft Visual++. Yes.
You are now entering the BIM lab.
I might have screwed something up because I tabbed out. Oh, I didn't. Did you make that song? That's so good. I know you're good at making songs, so. I can play with the controller, but I don't know where it is, to be honest. So, I will pick. And this is a good idea, by the way. Oh look! Oh cool. Attack action is J and dash is K. Oh, this is a really good idea to get like to have a tutorial. Oh, this is such a good idea. Like you're immediately playing. What a good idea. Maybe I have to. Oh. Oh, maybe I. Oh, oh no. That was great. And this is your house from Kamoko. Did you get the music from Ivan Dutch or whatever? It's just I must practice to become a knight. You're way too dumb to become a knight. Why I lack in smarts, I make up in spirit. I quit. Ty-ho. The kingdom is in the other direction. I knew that. I can't believe there's a story. That's crazy. I thought there was just gonna be a game. You put a lot of effort into this. Help wanted. Delivery nights. What's a delivery night? No matter. This could get my foot in the door. Is this like a typo? What he actually means is delivery night without the K. Oh, hello everyone as well. Delivery at nights. I shall in this, sir. You're hired. Now try on this uniform. Step on this button to make a pizza. You can make a fresh one at any time. Push pizzas to the greenhouse. The house highlighted in green. Mate, a tutorial is insane that you did a tutorial. That's so good. Customers are wary of bandits, so you have to do a special knock by pressing the combo button. AXX. Right, I messed up because I... Yeah, I'll have to use the controller because I messed up. I pressed the wrong button at the beginning, right? I have to find my controller. It'll be somewhere. Of course, my controller is like technically a Switch controller or something, so it's actually going to be even more confusing. But it should be BBY. That room needs to be tidied up. Well, if you got the points, I will do it. Try your dash move. You can use it while pushing pizzas. Controller B. Yeah. We're natural. Let's go inside. Dang, dude, mate. Yeah, hard. When do we start combat training? I've been practicing my whole life for this moment. Combat training? You realize you aren't actually a knight, right? I'm not. This place is called Pizza Night. It's a gimmick to get more customers. Children particularly love seeing a knight in shining armor delivering their pizza. So go out there and play your role. So I'm just a pizza delivery boy? No, you're a pizza delivery knight. Thank you, sir, for ordering from the Pizza Knight. Something insincere about your aura. Are you a true knight? Of course I am. Once a knight, always a knight. I guess I wouldn't have a problem with this. Might be a bit too loud. What are you doing? I spawn monsters in the villages with an appetite for pizza. Should be no problem for you, Pizza Knight. I'm a little confused what just happened. Oh, we had a flashback. He told us about that? Now that monsters have taken over the villages, I have to shut down the shop. No, I can do it. I shall deliver these pizzas, even if it kills me. Hi-ho. I need to make it so you can switch from controller. I think it's fine. If I really wanted to, I could go back. And yeah, this is Bim Lamp's game. I love that there's a story. That's crazy. I really didn't expect a story for some reason. I expected just levels. So I have 20 coins to dash cooldown. Oh, these are upgrades. Oh, I see. And I can like buy them. I have deliveries left. And there's 3 over there. The number 3. Timer bonus per delivery. Increased damage. Dash cooldown. Coins. Attack monsters with controller A. I can't dash in here, I guess. Okay. Oh, the music doesn't loop. Damn! It's intense. Oh, there's a timer over there. I can dash now. So there's my pizza. Where do I take my pizza? He's eating the pizza. Nice. Do you think I just take it to a random house? It looks like it. Oh look, there it is. Oh no. Get off my pizza. Ah. Okay. This time I'll do it. Oh, it's a different house each time. B. What would that be? That would be B-A-Y. Yeah, this is a hard game. This is a hard game. Oh, I have coins though. B-A-Y. B-B-X-B. Can I dash with the box? Oh, I can. It's very slip and slidey, isn't it? Why worthy? Well, I think I'm gonna make that. Oh, close. That's not a spaceship 3D. I had coins though. So now I definitely want this, right? I think this is the upgrade I want. Oh, just... okay. I don't know if that did anything, but we'll try again. What a good game. It's actually a lot of fun. I like it that it's difficult as well. BXB. The music as well, it's so over the top. AXX. Oh, I'm getting lucky this time. XYA. Ah shit. Where is it? There, over there. God damn slimes. Okay. I need an upgrade for my health. Is what I really need. Ah shit. Where are they? Over there. Okay. Oh no. Mate, this is so good. I'm having a blast. Like, genuinely. I'm not just saying that. Might be getting some FPS lag. B-A... Damn it. It's so hard. Okay, I'm gonna increase my damage. I think I got it even though it died. I'm getting lucky this time. I'm gonna assume it's over here somewhere. Oh, no it's not. I see it. Okay. Now what? Do I just keep on going? I'm not using my dash. Maybe I should be using my dash. I'm not sure. Oh, it's a different level, yeah. Okay. Oh, different creatures as well. That was very long there. Holy shit. Oh no. Wait, it's the same place? Okay. Damage. Definitely. I need to do enough damage that I'm killing them in one go, right? Yeah, the house isn't completely random, it's like, oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh, it's the same house. One less enemy. Maybe, I don't know. I think it's fine. More damage, more time, more damage, more time. Maybe I should do the cooldown, I don't know. I'm just gonna concentrate on those two things. Oh, this is completely different. What's this? What is happening? Oh, is this the boss? What is happening? This bloody mage. Okay. Deliveries left 6 deliveries. Where would I have to deliver them to? Oh. Okay, okay. He has homing missiles? Ooh, very cool. What a cool idea. I wish there was a story there to explain what's happening. I bet you wanted to do it there. Have like a story. The epic music, dude. I love it, mate. With the final slab delivered, the Pizza Knight defeated the evil wizard once and for all. He was knighted by the king and queen for going beyond expectations of an unassuming peasant turned pizza delivery boy. We shall forever remember him as the Pizza Knight. Mate, I enjoyed the fuck out of that. That was such a good... Oh, I can still move around as well. That's so cool. Why was that so much fun? I don't understand. What makes games fun? I don't know. I don't know why that was so much fun. Maybe we should remake that in... Oh, thanks for cheering. Maybe we should remake that in Game Maker, so you can do more with it. It's a good gameplay for you, yeah. Yeah, it's really good. I guess I just alt F4. Saying the same thing. Add multiplayer, ooh. Yeah, maybe. Mate, I had a blast. I'm glad it was difficult as well. If it was easy... Well, you said this about my game as well. Like, my game was probably too easy on easy mode. Local multiplayer. Oh, not online? Like, people have talked about doing Game Maker multiplayer, and I think you can use Steam to do, like, a remote online... It's remote local online multiplayer or something. But yeah, that would be great. I never know what to do with myself. After I've like played a really good game like that, I never know what to do with myself. I guess I will carry on making my game. Did hear about that. That was so cool. You put a lot of effort into that and it paid off. Definitely. It was kind of nice that it was a surprise, actually, because you went offline that whole time. If I had watched you make it the whole time, playing it wouldn't have been the same, but because it was like a complete surprise, because obviously I saw the mechanic, I saw you making the mechanic, But I didn't see all of that like story and stuff and the cutscene. That devil boss put me over. Oh, and Grand Fantasy Heroes. Alright. Dev and stream it, yeah. Yeah. That's true. I hope you start streaming soon though. I miss them for sure. But it's up to you. I wonder what you're gonna do next. You said you were gonna update it, but or maybe make it in Game Maker. I don't know. It might be relatively easy in Game Maker. Oh, you streamed yesterday? Oh, god damn it! I was probably sleeping. Not the morning streams. All right. All right. I'll show you my game. I mean, you've seen my game, but get my sleep schedule back. So currently working on this space game. Messing around with this shader, but I don't really like it. Yeah. You can see my performance is dropping. I have 40 NPCs at the moment. Obviously, I'm worried that other people's computers aren't going to be able to handle this. This is quite high GPU milliseconds right now. Gotta think about performance. That's just a flying part. He hasn't added the planets where Galahad will land for the RPG. Oh, for this game? Your players are Galahad. Do you know how to run all the NPCs from one script? It's good. I need to work on my game so I beat you. So beat me? Oh, I see what you're saying. Run all the NPCs off of one, like, process. I see what you're saying. Like a while loop process, yes. Well, I don't even know. What might... I don't have bottleneck at the moment. I'm not sure. Because it is frame limited at the moment. You know what's surprisingly expensive? I gotta change the way this is targeting. Speaking. They sort of do this. They will split up. Current state jink. Oh, is he stuck in jink? Oh, he's stuck in jink. Wait, there's no exit here. Wait. Position of the state. Yeah, I'm not sure I can put all the NPCs on one script. Because they need to do different stuff. Hang on, I gotta think, sorry. Why he might be stuck in Jink or something. Also, I'm experimenting at the moment with having extra meshes on my mesh. I have extra meshes upon my mesh. Which actually worked. And let me write down something. AI stuck in Jink. Possibly Asian states. Auntie Z, hello mate. Are you just saying hello? Aw. When the hair game I want to play? I quit doing the hair game. You can play it. But I quit to work on this game instead. It is available though. There's just not much to do. I quit because it wasn't fun. So. Unlike BIMLab's game. BIMLab unlocked the secret. Somehow. When you find a fun game loop like that, you gotta grab onto it. And like hang on for dear life. Because a lot of time finding a good game loop, I feel like is kind of a lot. You have to be lucky. Obviously there's skill, but sometimes something isn't fun and you just don't know why. Hello Ogre Burger Man as well. Hello mate. Auntie Z, super proud of that when he's a goat. How you doing, Auntie Z? How you doing, mate? Are you working on any pixel art or anything like that? Yeah, definitely he did, yeah. Alright, so what was I doing before I was messing around? I have a list of things I need to do. I have to link up the health of the UI. Primary and secondary health balls. Right. It's quite confusing actually. I think it does work though. So we have Okay, just enjoying life, trying to learn a new style. A new style of pixel or something else. I wish you would set up like a Kara or like an art station or something I could look at. Specanet doesn't do that either. I don't know why. Now I'm giving the food +1 because if it's 0, oh, I know what you can do. It'll be okay if it's 0. Yeah. So it is less than 0. How do I play as the bunny in the hair? So I just I did export. So there's this version, hair windows. I managed to get the size smaller, which is good as well. It does porn. Shoot, brother. Hello, SpecNet. Hello, mate. It's good to see you. Yeah. It's okay. So what am I trying to do right now? I don't think I want to do this anymore. What I want to do instead is go... I want to have the debug label add it. Who is like, okay. Hang on. Need a better way to do the debug label, right? The debug label should actually have its own script. Perfectly understandable. True. Sometimes I feel that way too. Yeah, I understand. Class name. Oh, Ogre Boga Man, did you work out like any sort of video I was thinking about this the other day. Is that you could have a website. You could just use a website, or at least have some sort of a website would do the job, but it has to be a program, I suppose. But I don't know anything about web dev, so anyway, class name, debug. And then this would just export to, you put a bunch of stuff on here. So who does the printing? It's like your father or something, isn't it? It's like, no, it's not your father. Is it? How do you even print this? Oh, it's here, look. Let's see. Function process. And then you put export. Okay. A website for videos. I would probably be back for working for Knudsen if he still even needs me. If not, it's art style practice 24/7. In fact, I'm trying to afro like hair in the style. What? What does that mean? A website for videos. You were talking about making a video player in your game, right? It's like it's gonna be like an escape room game, right? So I feel like most game engines don't have a good video player, and so if you could somehow use HTML in your game, I don't know how it works. If you could somehow use a browser in your game to play the video, who knows? Godot only supports OGV though. There's some extension to extend. Yeah, that's why I'm talking about like how difficult it is to get a good video in Godot. You can't really do it. because I've tried doing it, and that's why in my tutorial, I wanted to do tutorial videos, but the quality was so bad with OGV that I had to just link a YouTube video. Afro like hair in a different style to mine. What? In fact, I'm trying to afro like hair in the style. Afro like hair in the different style to mine. I heard exporting as a JPEG. That would be a crazy video. A JPEG sequence? I suppose you could do that. Yes. I mean, it would work. This game is hard. Are you trying to play my hair game? I appreciate that. Yes, because you don't... There's no respawn, right? So you have to start from the beginning. Maybe I should open source that game. The bunny game. Put everything on GitHub. And then somebody can, if they really want to, somebody can use it. Alright. Alright, Bimlab. Yeah, man. See you later. Thanks for the bits as well. I'll say it's like this then. I'm trying to draw black people hair in a new art style that I like. Oh, okay. Frizzy hair. Frizzy hair. You know, I've learned quite a bit recently about hair, doing the Rembrandt stuff, and putting the very light color on the edge of the hair makes it look really good. It looks better on Morgana, actually. The white outline to the hair, because if you look at somebody in real life, which is something I never even thought about before looking at Rembrandt, is you look at somebody in real life, they have like a halo around them. What just happened? Why does it say message retracted? I did see it for a second there, and then it went away. Are we ever gonna see the new Orion? Grumble, grumble, grumble. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this game at the moment. I should try to split my time a little bit more. For sure. You're right. I just realized. Okay, well, I'll do that for now. I need to change the way the targeting works. Right. Write that down. Yes. Yes. Link the health up to the UI is what I need to do right now. So, anyway, I think this proves something in that I can have multiple meshes upon my mesh, upon my chassis. I think that proves things. Although you should have had 100. You should have had. Oh yeah, because I said half. You can only get half of it. Oh, but this doesn't prove anything yet. You need to be... Take damage. Oh. Take damage. If current mesh is in group secondary mesh, then we are a secondary component and should blow up separately to the primary body. This is all just prove the concept of capital ships with multiple bodies. My positional art style looks different from my pixel art style. I would love to see some of it. Anti-see. So I haven't seen anything. I want to grumble at SpecNet as well for not having Kara. Not putting everything on his Kara. Although he might be putting stuff on his Kara, but maybe I didn't. You know what? It's quite difficult to find things. Oh, there it is. My traditional art looks different from my pixel art. I would like my digital art to be different as well. Of course, it all blends so you can see the other styles. Except traditional painting, I hate it. Try it once and almost quit. I try to post everything on my Kara, you know. Even though, you know, maybe you can always wish that you have more followers and likes and things, but I think I prefer posting it than not posting it. Although I might curate it a bit, like get rid of some of the things I don't like anymore. Like this is poor quality. Do you know what I mean? That was a random. I like these portraits. I mean, I like these, but the piece of wood. Yeah, I like this. I like everything else, I think. It ceases your grumbling and I've prepped a couple more images for Kara. One thing that keeps me from posting there frequently is that you can't update the source file. Oh, you'd have to delete it and upload it again? I suppose so. Traditional, not digital. This new style requires me to paint and render more. Wait, I have a Kara account, I think. With DeviantArt, I can just update the main file with improvement. With Kara, I can't. I mean, yeah. Well, I don't know how... Problem with DeviantArt is the AI art. That's it, really. We can star. And the good thing about Kara is that there's no algorithm. It will just show you whatever is. So, like, these are the main ones, right? That I like. Sometimes I will browse. Oh, look at this! Holy shit! I'm pretty sure ArtStation is also going AI as well, isn't it? I need to concentrate. I need to stop distracting myself. Okay, let's see. So, if the parent mesh is in group secondary mesh, then our secondary component should blow up separately. I'm just, for now I'm putting this was a secondary component and should blow up. And for now, I think I will. I know I will blow up. I'll just do something very simple, like we'll work it out. But like maybe the ship mesh will have a script attached to it to blow itself up, but it should just work. I should be able to just call the third. Parent mesh called third. Q3. Should just work. Oh, hang on. And current health is less than 0. Bruce, not hello. Less than Deviant, but I use it for pleasure views. It's my hiring sheet. I was like 400,000th person. Oh, really? Yeah, Kara isn't as popular, right? Definitely, but I feel comfortable there. It makes me feel, I feel at home. You know what I mean? Like I don't feel like any pressure. And how are you doing, Bro Smalt? Are you still, what are you up to at the moment? I know you're over with not Satisfactory, Factorio. Oh, mate. Did you see, Oblivion? Oh, no. As soon as I've got a bit more money, I'm gonna buy Oblivion, I think. Even though it's at full price. If AI is legalized, I think Kara would have to be like AI would have to recompense all the art, all the money, the companies that, and that's not going to happen. That's how they would. Or you could wait for the Sky Oblivion mod. I feel sorry for the people making Sky Oblivion for sure, because that is a lot of work down the drain. I'm up to finally sitting down and coding and shutting out distractions. Fair enough. Alright, I should stop getting distracted as well. So we're gonna like kill the secondary mesh. And I might as well pull the third. Q3 here as well. Okay. But the shield should be telling the drone, oh, you got to attach the body like that. And I want to reduce the amount of target drones so I can see what's going on. So let's just have like 2 friendly target drones. And then maybe 6 enemy drones. I'm weirded out that they don't target me. And they do if I'm the only option. Interesting. I thought I disabled that situation. I definitely did, look. I don't think monitorable does work the way you think it works, right? I think it's best to just change the collision layer. So aiming area, collision layer equals 23. Right? Or 20. Do I type in 23 or do I type in 24? I think I type in 23. Okay. Do I? Oh, you made another game. Yeah. I'm working on a different game instead of the hair game. Oh wait, it would have to be set collision layer. Oh right, yeah, collision layer value. Layer number. Is this 0 to? Oh, it's between 1 and 32. Oh, okay. Okay. So 24. True. Am I hitting? I don't know. Oh, Kara. Ah. My PFP. Perfection. Why am I not taking damage right now? Okay, I'm taking damage now. I should be able to press a button though to become invulnerable or something. Where's the bunny? I gave up on the bunny. Why am I retro? Why am I retro? Thank you, Dinocris. I appreciate that. I was lurking in your stream yesterday. I know you're starting a new jam. What am I doing? Software development? Not the bunny. And why not Oblivion? I know, Oblivion looks so good. I'm very excited. But I don't have the money at the moment to buy it. Once I got a bit more money, I can buy it, and yeah. I will probably take a break off streaming for a while. Hopefully I will be finishing it, yeah. Have you been playing Oblivion? Okay. I need a... Do I really want to put in cheat now to make myself invulnerable? Not really. I'll do it later. I'll just... I'll just do this. Okay, the thing I want to test is... You know, fighting these ships. Also, I gotta change the way the targeting is done so that, I don't know. Taking damage to shield, I see. I'm hitting primary mesh, I'm hitting secondary meshes. Secondary meshes. You're meant to be getting blown up. Are you not? Why are you not dying? You should be dead by now. Oh, it gets clamped. Oh, it gets clamped. Okay. The targeting is difficult as well because... Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I'll think about that later. No time. I need to finish Jackie's jam and my work, and then can do a million of Dino Crow Angry. Have you created dust? This looks too advanced. I have no idea how to make any of those classical mechanics. Well, I just followed some tutorials and stuff. And there was a guy who's open sourced his space game, and I copied him. It worked! Oh. It crashed. Wait, why did it crash? Hang on. It crashed. I didn't see why, because I closed it. I shouldn't have closed it. It didn't crash this time. Why didn't it crash? Did it crash when I kill him? He can't die. Hang on. Oh, we can't die because I'm not giving you the... I'm not updating the mesh. Let's see. Let's do that. So we have lots of checks like that. Okay, if parent mesh... No. If... Attached body. Wait, what? Shouldn't that... Shouldn't I be able to just do this? Minus equals... Speaking of streams, apparently having you in the background locks my stream. Content misappropriate. Oh, you're streaming as well? I gotta watch that later. That was nice. That was nice. And hello, Psycho Dwarf. Privyat, my friend. We need to have this mechanic as next jam to get all possible code examples. Why did it crash? I need to find out. Oh. As method on null value. Classic. That's a classic problem, isn't it? Where, you know, you have bullets and there's a frame by frame thing going on, right? Where you die. Oh, that's such a classic. Such a classic problem. How do I solve this problem again? I can't remember. But yeah, it's like, so on the one frame, so frame one, the further destruction of something, yeah. Yeah. Why am I putting so much effort into this? But this will be useful later on when I need to have a pool for deletion. Ooh, those are good ideas. Defer destruction. Pool for deletion. So on my frame one, you have hit the ship. Frame one, probably still the same frame, right? Well, how would it work? No, we're still on the same frame. But I did call defer, you know? So, you know, call deferred Q3, because that's normally what you do, right? So sometime in the time between whatever, like, call defer, because this probably all happens on the same frame. It's probably like two. What it probably is, two What it probably is yeah, I know what it probably is. Like, two projectiles hit the ship at the same time, at the same frame, is what I think what happened. And so, I don't know what, like somehow they were off sync and this tried to call it. And this wasn't deleted yet. And then it queued, whatever. Anyway, the pool of things for deletion is probably the way to go. There was a method to check if exists. Why do I feel like that doesn't work? Because it's on the same frame. Because you could do if get collider 0, right? And that would just check if it's null or not. But that's not going to work because it's a frame issue. Do you know what I'm saying? So you have to call deferred. So we have to call deferred this. My brain hurts. I think what you said earlier though, a pool for deletion is the way to go. Not for null, it has method. Hey, this is the bit that caused the problem, right? No, not for null, it has method. Well, the reason why this died, this caused the crash, was because get collider was null. No, I've solved this problem before. Let me think. A pool for deletion. Don't remember it, but is marked. Like, is marked for def. Ah. Check if an object exists. Marked for def. Oh, you know what? Anyway, I will have a def animation. Right? So I will go into def mode. Yes. So I will be going into def mode. I will be deleting all of my... I'll be disabling all of my colliders for like a couple seconds. I will be disabling all of my stuff. Then I'll be playing my def animation for those 2 seconds. And then I will blow up. So my NPC drone, instead of just going straight to called 3, it should like, yeah. And then I will disable all of my hitboxes. I have all my hitboxes here. 4 hitboxes. 4 hitbox. In hitboxes. Wait. Is there a clear? No. Well, I know what it is, so. Collision layer 2. Set collision layer value to false. Then you're gonna await a death animation. An explosion. Then you're going to Q3. That should solve the problem, I think. In my stuff, problem began with animations. Anyway, I think this should solve my problem. No more crashing. They're so hard to hit. These little balls. Oh my god. Oh, there goes one. There goes one of my balls. There goes another one of my balls. Don't call method set collision on previously freed. Oh. Makes sense. No. Hitbox. But I should probably get rid of you when you die. Patched body. Raise. You don't know about your hitbox component? Is instance valid? Oh, is instance valid better than just like is true? RJ, all you do is just say, yes, I understand. Out of context, I pity you upon hearing these words. Yes. And this object is queued for deletion. Ah, really? Erase. I should erase it though. I should erase it. I need to know about my hitbox component that I'm attached to. Is this bad practice? What I'm doing right now? Is that what you're saying? I should be using is instance? There is instance valid, and this object is queued for deletion. So you can check this for now. They check the stuff is not null, but it's already inaccessible. Doc describes it better. I think it is said better in Q3 method, dog. You can check it. No, I'm just giving examples. I think is queue for deletion is better, and actually recommended by the doc. Hmm. 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 If parent mesh is queued deletion equals false. Hmm. Right? Is that ultra safe? Is that very safe right now? And not only am I checking the queue for deletion, but I'm checking the call deferred. Oh wait. Queues this node for deletion at the end of the frame. When deleted, all of its children are deleted as well. All references to the node become invalid. Unlike object-free, a node is not instantly deleted. It can still be accessed before deletion. It's safe to call Q3 multiple times. Use object is queued for deletion to check if the node will be deleted at the end of the frame. The node will only be freed after all the deferred calls are finished. Using this method it's not always the same as calling object free through call deferred. Oof. Oof. Okay. So you should actually be using free. Is that what they're saying? Don't know. It said it was safe to call it multiple times. Anyway, I'll leave it for now. It's fine. It's not going to be a big. It's not going to be a big deal. Anyway, everything should be super safe now. How is that still happening? Maybe that doesn't get cool, does it? That makes sense. To be honest, I didn't make that state machine. Somebody else made that state machine and I copied it. But I kind of understand how it works. Me! I managed to delete something. Nice. And you can see it called should die, and then something came through again in between the frame. So that's super necessary that we have this wait. What's next? Health bars. That's the whole. That's what I was doing. Update health bars. Value equals parent ship total max health divided by parent ship current max health. That's how you do it, a percentage, don't you? Isn't that how you do a percentage? 1000 divided by 500. Oh. 500 divided by 1000. Wait, 500. Oh. It's the other way around. Parent ship total max. Okay. Oh, does the health bar work? No. Unless it regened. I don't think I put regen in yet. Oh, the hull is working. Look, the hull is working. The hull is working. So why isn't the shield working? Let's have a look. Oh, because you need to send it to here. Yeah, you need to do this. Total shit. Interesting that they don't require each other to even know about each other. The yellow bit on the play. I turned on this profiler but on auto start, and that's what happens if you put auto start is enabled for the following profiler. I wish it was sort of minus. It would sort of work because I'm on VSync, right? So the process time in milliseconds is being changed because of VSync. So it's kind of not useful. That number isn't very useful. But you can see here, this is useful down here, this stuff. You see the majority of the moment is coming from space kinematic body, which is the. But it's nothing really, is it? It's really nothing. Like 0.5 milliseconds is nothing. So I think I'm pretty efficient so far. Surprisingly, the debug label process is so expensive. And the Phytum state machine is 20. Character body control. Yeah, I mean, that's nothing though. I was really thinking that the shape casts would be expensive. I might, but I don't think they are. I'm really glad I can use them because I tried raycasts and you know, I was getting poor hit, whatever you call it, poor hit reliability. But with this raycast, this shapecast, it's a lot better, and it doesn't seem to be expensive. I mean, it would say the projectiles are 0.5 to 0.6, 0.06, but there are only 24 of them. Oh, it crashed. Oh, Godot crashed. Nice. .41 does crash compared to the previous versions, definitely. Who knows why? Well, I could be using the console version, it might tell me why. Does the health bars work now? Do the health bars work? No, they don't. It's possible that update health bars isn't getting called, right? For sure. Hang on. Where should I put that? In process? You only need to do it if you're being targeted. And you're on the screen, right? So if is targeted. And yeah. So there. Oh, it works. Nice. I'm liking the UI so far. I think it's not bad at all. It's kind of a lot smaller than yeah, that seems to make sense. That looks correct to me. And then it's dying for a second, and then it dies. Okay, awesome. That looks correct. Now, what I don't like is the size of the target reticle should change size depending on how big a target is and how far away it is. Quite difficult to do that. Nice, you have the prediction thing. Thank Mr. I should remember his name. And if I had the money, I'd also donate to him. Mr. Wedge Wars, the guy who made this. I guess Neil something. Neil something. I should really like put it in my. He'll definitely be in my credits. For sure. because a lot of this is his code. Whatever, I can't find it right now. But I am going to improve his NPC fire controller. There's lots of little things to do. I've got to add strafing, boosting, sliding. I wrote it down somewhere. And the AI does get stuck in running away, right? It gets stuck in running away. Yeah. It needs like an override where it will stop running away all the time, right? Because I want it to fight me. Although it does that in Freelancer. It will do that in Freelancer, to be fair. They will just sort of run away from you when you target them. And you get behind them pretty... And it feels really nice, right? And your actual... And it you know what? It feels like Star Wars. Because you get behind the opponent. And that's when you kill them, right? But behind you is the other enemies, and they're attacking you. Yeah, that's exactly how it was in Freelancer, actually. But I do want to add, yeah, boost and strafing, for sure, and sliding, so that they'll have two different types of. There'll be like an option for its steering. And it will probably depend upon its skill level. Like the NPC fighter will have some sort of skill level, and if it has a high skill level, then it will strafe as it moves, and it will slide. It will use the engine kill slide, and it will also boost around corners. It will boost towards you, and all that depends upon its skill level. So I can have multiple levels of AI. And then just give it like some sort of skill score. And then as you're leveling up your companions, you can level up their skill, so they improve their AI. And then also they have an accuracy score and stuff like that. It can be hard to judge since you can't see what is behind you. Okay. But that's concentrate that on in a minute. Concentrate on that in a minute. What I want to do right now is work on the ship HUD to show full. The size of the target reticle should be changed. Oh, how are you doing, Ivor Kane? You're working on a project with other people now, right? I can't remember what it was. I'm sorry. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to add, this is why I need to write everything I do down, because I get distracted in my own mind. There's so much to do that I get unfocused. Ah. Wait, no. How would I find you? Yeah. Uh, this is just a control. I see. I will call this the player HUD. Yeah. And then of course this should be separated. I'll think about that later. Are you doing Jackie's Jam too? So I have my player HUD. I was doing something with my player HUD. I'm trying to do something. I'm trying to do something on Ready, but I can't remember what it was. I should have just used the bus. Yeah, probably. I'm trying to do something on Ready, but trying to do Spaceship controller. Okay, I did it. Let's use the bus spotting. And there. Hi. And Now I can go to the HUD. Progress bar. Oh wow. So show percentage. Can I show? Can I show like actual values? You know what might be fun? No. It's looking for Godot shaders, but should I have the numbers? No. I'm trying to be sleek. I'm trying to have a sleek UI. You don't even get to see the numbers for these things. Yes. Oh, I've done that the wrong way around. Classic. Okay. Hold bar. Oh. Value equals player ship current total current health divided by player ship total max whole health. Shoot me. Oh, I turned off. I turned off my hitbox, didn't I, or something? Did I? Did I? Or are they just missing? Oh, they were just missing. They're not missing. Hang on. They were hitting each other. It was friendly fire. Ah, yes. What's gonna happen when I die? What is gonna happen when I die? I didn't even think about that. It's probably gonna crash. I imagine it will crash. It didn't crash. Yes, the camera needs to stay. The camera needs to be separate to the actual ship, right? No. I don't think there's any reason why I can't do that. Oh, except... Well, hang on. I need to do this anyway. I need to take these outside of its... outside of the body. Okay. And then all of these ships, all of these things get deleted. And then... you go to System. And we instantiate the player ship controller. And this is how it would get done in code later on. When you're instantiating a scene. Oh, you put all the ships into the scene and then you're like, oh, this one's got the player ship tag. And all of these others are NPCs. Oh, this one should go on the ally team, this one should go on the enemy team. Bam, 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 bam. But yeah, the actual camera can be outside of everything. Camera controller can be here. And then this goes to the Raven ship. This will go to the player ship. And you can do that through code. This doesn't have any exports. This will have an export. And that's fine. And then that'll be the same here. So with the target drones, we'll remove... make this fire controller into a scene. With these targeting, do I need the targeting component to be off the scene? Yeah, that should be separate as well. Oh, I already did it? Well, overwrite it. That's fine. And then delete that. So when you're making your ship, all you're making is like the chassis, basically. You're just making the chassis. And then what you do is you add NPC fire controller, a targeting component, a fighter controller, and then you will need to know about you. Display info. You need to know about display info. Ship. Display info. Equals display. And then this doesn't need to be exported anymore. But yeah, the controller should be exported. And actually, this should be called an NPC controller. And then there'll be like a player controller for players. Well, there'll just be... Well, yes, there might be 2 different player controllers because, well, later on, if I'm really thinking ahead and want to do capital ships... But I'm not going to think about that right now. So my fighter controller has a fire controller there. And then you will have the fighter controller there. Really, these should be automatic as well. I should probably just do this on ready. Set this up on ready, yeah. But we'll think about that later. So... And it's one of those situations where I've changed a bunch of stuff, but nothing's actually going to change, hopefully. Hopefully everything should be exactly the same as it was a minute ago. I just reorganized it all. Right. They seem really incompetent at shooting me, don't they? They seem really incompetent at shooting me. They should be shooting me right now. Huh. Okay, I'll think about that later. AI is incompetent at shooting. Size of the target reticle should change depending on turn. how oh, I did this by the way. Work on the ship hood. Oh. The size of the target reticle should change size depending on how big the target is and how far away it is. Also, I didn't get any debug. Embassy fighter controller and the parent body. Okay. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3 parent ship. But I can't, because these are balls, I can't tell the front. This should be the front, right? So now it looks like an arrow. That looks good. Looks really good. So now we're going to decide why they aren't shooting at me. Like, only this guy is shooting at me. Like, actually. Oh, nobody else is shooting me right now. I might have messed up the fire controller is what happens. Because I copied it over, so they're all using the same fire controller, right? Yeah, this should be done by code, via code, rather than exporting. Yeah. Yep. How do I make sure it's not null or whatever? I could export it. The fire controller. How do I on-ready my fire controller? I guess it's fine. I can do that. And then if it's null, then hopefully it never gets used, right? If fire controller, yeah. Should be fine. Node not found, fire controller. Right. You have to go up and then down. Sorry, I forgot all about that. Go up and then down. Fixed it. All right, now I can tick that off. Okay. Target the size of the reticle should change depending upon how big the target is and how far away it is. So working this out is kind of tricky because obviously I'm like building it so that you can have meshes in this sort of area here. And I've got to sort of calculate this area and then I'll get a size that I can use. How is the aiming mesh doing it actually? Currently, because the aiming mesh is actually doing something like that. Isn't it? It's doing this collision shape. Oh, it's using the collision shape. using the collision shape of the ship mesh. Well, that's not going to work. But yeah, collision shape is a good idea actually. Because I will have to have a universal collision shape. Even if it's weird. Because things will get destroyed. Oh, that's annoying. Things are getting destroyed. Parts will get blown off and then you fly to it and then it won't work properly. Oh, that's annoying actually. But it's something that I can probably live with. Especially if the little bits you blow up are small. It's probably fine. So yeah, we use the... Because what I will probably do is have... So you have your target drone, right? But your collision shape is actually like this. Which makes a lot of sense. Something like that. Yeah. And then this shape here, this is your AAB. So you should probably know about this. Then I can access you. And then my targeting component, so this stuff, we need to go actually to the parent ship. Oh, no, that's fine. It's parent ship collision shape 3D. It should have an AAB. Actually, won't the parent ship have an AAB? No. The collision shape will have an AAB. Will it? Somebody will have an AAB. Shape 3D, margin, shape 3D, inherits resource, radius. Will the collision shape have an AAB or will the parent ship have an AAB? Get shape owners. Somebody will have it. Because I was doing it before with the ship mesh. Oh, do only meshes have AABs? Oh, really? Well, this doesn't say it has an AAB. Maybe everything has an AAB. Get AAB. Visual instance. Ah, visual instance has an AAB. Okay. Visual instance. So, does a collision shape have a... Does a character body have a visual instance? No. And okay. Nor does a mesh instance does have an AB. A collision shape. Does a collision shape have an AB? I don't think so. Shape 3D. Get debug mesh, returns an array mesh. Which has an AB. Inherits mesh. Okay, I think I found it. I got there. So if you go to your collision shape, then you get your debug mesh. I'm annoyed that that's not auto completing. And you have to go to your shape. Then you go to the debug mesh. So you go to your shape, you get your debug mesh, then you get your debug mesh AAB. Right, let's see if it crashes. Melod access to property or key shape on basis object nil. Classic. I hate this. I wish there must be a more elegant solution. I don't know. Interesting. Okay. It seems to be working. Perfect. However, these exponentials are too big. Why does it look better with all the collision shapes? It looks really good. Oh my god, it's so hard to hit. Nice. Ah, what a fun game already. I'm so happy it's fun. I'm just immediately having fun. You know, the collision shape on your fighter, that should be the shield effect if you get hit. Well, that would be a really cheap way to do it. Yeah, that would be good. That would be really good. You're totally right. That would be a really cheap way to do it. Just show collision shape. Show the debug mesh for the collision shape. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get some more coffee, I think. Maybe some breakfast. I should probably eat some breakfast as well. Alright, I will be right back. So, right, better. Yes. Charge. Oh, so what happens now if I die? I should just nothing. My ship should disappear, but I should sort of remain, right? Yeah, the way they bounce off you, it's not ideal, is it? Perfect. Can't move around or anything like that, which is good. Perfect. Oh, and I can't press escape to close because it's attached to that. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna think about that. Okay. What's next? The size of the target reticle should be changed depending on the size, on how big a target is and how far away it is. Okay. Right, that's why I did all of this to get the this number here. To get this, whatever this is, to get this. Should get some sort of targeting shape magnitude float equals 0.0, and then you do something like this will be a vector, right? Should be able to get the length of the vector. The dot. Wait. The length of the vector? That should be ship. That should be a vector, and then I want to know what is what are these numbers here? What's length squared? the dot product between two vectors. Right? But what are those numbers? The one is 300. So we've got 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Because it's a radius. 5. So that makes a lot of sense. And then my length of that is 17. Actually, I'm not sure. No. This is... No, the dot is 0. I'm not sure why I thought that would work. I guess I don't quite understand what dot is yet. It's a comparison between two vectors. So length squared is 300. But length is 17. It's interesting why those are different numbers. So we can use this number or this number. Let's think. So 300. How could I use the number 300 in some way? How big are you at the moment? 64 by 64. How about I do 300 divided by 5? Could do. What was the other number? 17? 17 times 5? 300 divided by 5. Okay. Well, we'll see. I don't know. That's okay. So, target reticle dot size equals targeting magnitude. Targeting shape magnitude, which I've misspelled. Oh. A good idea. I mean, it looks the same, right? Actually, it doesn't. It seems to disappear. When it's close to me. Why does it disappear when it's close to me? I don't hate that. I don't super hate that. Actually, I think I changed the wrong one. That's the one I wanted to change. Yeah. I don't know why it disappears. I guess because of add. Target reticle. So just give me the raw values actually. The magnitude raw value. Just give me, don't divide it by 5. Well, firstly, this will test if it actually works, which it does. There you go. And then I can decide on a size. And that looks good. That like covers the ship, if you know what I mean. Like all of its area. That's a good area there. It obviously just needs to get bigger and smaller. It needs to scale with distance. So I already have a distance here. And a scaling factor. Hang on. Because it can't be permanent. Yes, it can. That's fine. Oh, but this means I have to put something in, right? Yeah. Okay. Means all of this is gonna change. Yeah. Right, let's see. So there's multiple reticles to set. Reticle to use. So if reticle to use equals target reticle if reticle to use targeted reticle. Okay. Then we need to add in size. So to do size, we do this. Let's calc. What's this? The debug label. The size of the debug label vector 2 300 by 300 or something will be fine. It doesn't matter, it's just a debug label. The size of the aiming reticle is, this one wouldn't change. We'll do 40 by 40 vector 2 40 by 40. These things could be exported as well, these sort of sizes, but I'll hard code it for now. And in this size calculation, I will put in a scalar for the distance. Yeah. Why don't I just use percent like that? It should work, actually. Don't think it did work. Print percent. Actually, I have no idea. I have no idea. This is useless to me. So it should be getting smaller the further away you are. So it's at 1 now. And then as I get closer, it gets bigger. Okay, but it's not getting big enough. It's not getting smaller by enough, and it's not getting bigger enough. Because this should be, this probably should be 1.0 anyway. And as it gets closer, it should get bigger. But not by enough. Not by enough. So it's always at least, what, 0.1 for sure. And then, because if you times something by 2, if I times this by 2, it's not giving the effect, is it? It's the scaling factor, isn't it? Right. So you make this... Well, that's important to be at that scaling factor. What I could do is scale percent. This is alpha percent, and that's scale percent. So, actually, I will start hard coding that as well. So that's 1,000, and then percent. Then we can make that 500. Still doesn't seem like it's working. Actually, it should be plus. No. Oh, a math issue. A maths problem, right? I need to like magnify the value if it's lower than just decrease this. Still looks like it's not even working. I gotta be honest. It doesn't even look like it's working. Hang on. What's it at right now? Oh, 128. 128 plus size calc. I don't think this is working. Nope. Because I never said it. That's why it's not working. You dummy. What a dumbo. There it is. Look at that. That's nice. It starts to get really big there. I can make that more natural. I think I can make that more natural by changing this value here back to 1,000. Or maybe 500. That felt pretty good. These should get bigger though. These should get bigger. Where are we? Size calc. Time scale percent. Oh, that feels good. Like the different sizes now. Yeah, look how small that one is. And then as they come in, they get bigger. There it is. Nice. When they get super close though, it does look weird when when they're super close. Like that. There needs to be a curve to the scaling. An exponential. Ooh. Needs to use an exponential. All right. But I think I'm gonna actually call it for today. Because I want to eat and I will be left in peace while I eat. I don't know. I want to have a break. Do other things today. Here is Bruce Malt to raid. He's a good guy. So thank you everybody on YouTube as well. I don't know why how many people are watching on YouTube recently, but I appreciate it. And thank you everybody on Twitch as well. I hope you all have a fantastic day. And I'll see you guys later.